Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Number 10, M and N back.
M and N, it's a work.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, congratulations. Oh my god, I am so excited. Marvin and Nikisha, the power couple. Local Jay-Z and Beyonce are back at it again like Facebook hero. Can I get a round of applause for the power couple? I know some never want them come back together, but me, I one of the people them who say, me like the idea of a Marvin the Beez and a dancehall queen Nikisha in a dancehall space. Them lively top, them excite up the scene, and them, you know, them add a certain flavor when nobody really bring these days. So, we know what they are about Marvin and New York and all of that drama. And for the whole period of time, Nikisha has been just laying low. She not really attack much. She just show one and two shade here and there. And all of a sudden, me whole go say, Nikisha start to go up on live and I say, you know, she's back in a relationship. She make a couple posts, one long piece of epistle. I said that she and Marvin work through things and every couple go through them drama. But, you know, them overcome it and they are once again M and N, where everybody wants to see. Marvin go on live and him invite Nikisha.
We call the queen and the queen come talk to me.
And then Nikisha go on live and invite Marvin.
Marvin send a request.
And then Marvin decides that he want to come take over Nikisha live. The two of them start to have a little friendly rivalry.
You understand me? I want to see what goes on.
Alright, Marvin, before you talk, just make me talk. Hold it little way.
Then as soon as Nikisha start to talk, Marvin decides he want to move up and down and yam cheese tricks and Oreo and every single thing for the woman life still. Nobody hear one thing what she did say.
So, I'm reaching out mostly to my real fans them. You want to take the knives? Not the it's not.
But in the end, them say that them not going to do no more, we call it suck out tongue and all of them look at excitement, something there and a cusp on social media. They will just be focusing on the brand that is M and N Music.
That's why I'm gonna know this clear. Our relationship not gonna be in the public anymore.
So let's just see if them can do it. Me personally think that they can do it. Me personally think that they will be cussing and they will be going on with the things them on social media yet again. Me not think it can be strictly business. But what you say, people, are you happy to see that Marvin and Nikisha is back together? Or you think that them should stay apart and Nikisha for turn back friend with Sher and Renee 630 and them people there? Comment below. Number 9, soca lock up. Me onion ring. So everybody knows so when soca hits you, man, your waistline just have to move. You cannot stay one place. You just have to vibrate and move in a all sort of motion. Well, this lady, I do not know which part of the Caribbean this was, but this woman was being escorted by a police officer. She was being, you know, taken into the police car. You see that's what the woman do? That's what you call the handcuff wine. We need to write this down for Carnival 2019. Handcuff wine. Or you could have just captured the video, yeah. When Caribbean people see video like
walk out! Walk out! Walk out! Walk.
Number 8, tonic hustle. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So this a brother here, they pan a little hustling, you know, when they downtown, they after trade, they in any city, you know, they have a little one igla, try and make a little sale, you always have the little bag juice man, you have the man where sell the snacks them, but this time, it was a brother where sell some seeds.
A different seed then.
Your pumpkin seed, sunflower, sesame linseed.
So where chia seed there?
Chia seed, this one, black one.
Oh, right, good
so, chia seed good for blood circulation, anti-aging, omega 3, 6 and 9, clean the arteries.
I think right about now you have to just call him this seed doctor. I don't know if this sound too righted, but yeah, we could just work with this in the meantime.
We don't have no strokes, no heart attack. Insulin for diabetes, we're not blind. Iron for sugar, food that chop off. Magnesium for high blood pressure, we don't have no kidney failure and heart failure. All pharmacy I work with Denos. All pharmacy I work with Illuminati.
The man said Illuminati to the backsfoot.
Which one good for your vagina?
Oh, the sunflower seed and the linseed make the vagina elasticity.
Wait, elastic what?
Wow.
Make it sing and clap, la la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I got the remedy to give the penis the authority over the vagina.
Wow.
One job, at it up, broad out, sit down and cut it and it, see it here. And then we help premature ejaculation, low coat it.
No man, somebody give the man a round of applause. The man is well scripted, him well rehearsed. Somebody need to put him on Broadway. Like the man is just like a serious level type of doctor. He need a PhD, a honorary PhD from University of the West Indies. Round of applause for the brother man. Number 7, i-octane band. Box cover. Dancehall artist. I don't know if a dancehall or reggae artist these days. I cannot hard decide. But i-octane, you know, come up on social media and say that RJR Communications Group issue a statement to him basically and say that them not gonna play him anymore on, you know, them radio stations.
RJR Communication Group, I just got the news that all i-octane songs have been banned from the company itself. In other words, none of my songs them can play on none of the radio station them. But over the years, I've been supporting RJR. I've supported RJR road shows, It's 92 road shows them, FM if I'm available, free of cost, you know what I mean? So, and we have a good relationship over the years. So why the program director Dennis Howard take it up on him head to ban all i-octane songs them in full force? You know what I mean? None of the DJs them can play an i-octane song. So I want to know if it's a company make that decision or it's a personal vendetta.
I do not know how true it be, but let's just see how the story unfolds. You think say octane really get banned for true or nah? Comment below. Number 6, bar exams. Me turtleneck. So here's the thing about the social media countdown. We just, you know, you have to mix in the bad, but you always have to put in some good celebratory type of news. And this brother here, you know, him they go sit the bar exams and him wait until when his parents could have come home before him go open it, and this was their reaction.
No. Congratulations on passing the result! I passed.
Yeah, so when you listen to this, you just know say the mother and father the Caribbean. You heard just know say he's a Caribbean family that. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, much time like tears come right on my eye, you know, so I'm not gonna really bad. But I like one tear, it kinda drop down, it kinda touch me because everybody live for these moments where you get to celebrate and your parents will just embrace you and congratulate you on all of your success. Ah boy, big up yourself youth and more success in our life. And now check out the random video of the week.
Leon, take it down, we're ready now, we're gonna shoot up. Pop in.
Number 5, Instaboy versus Yanique Curvy Diva. Ha, jism. I do not know where I am going to even hard to begin with this story. So, as you know, Instaboy, you know, formerly known as Marlon Samuels West Indies cricketer from way back in the day till hard now. And the man did get featured in Aishana's video.
Hey boy, your page it a mad me. I hope I saw you up in a reality. Yeah, your car big, your house big.
Get in some social media fracas with the Curvy Diva. I do not know how Curvy Diva name just get called up. So from what day 1 minute with she and Wizkid down in Africa, and then now with she and Marlon Samuels. Boy, I do not know. Yanique Curvy Diva alleges that Marlon Samuels just, you know, him not take no fear answer the man just a baka in her ears and him want her up, and when she refuse him, you know, him did abuse her because apparently them used to date and all of these things. We don't know where the dating come from. If it was from when a both time or after the duplicitous thing with Kitty, we don't know when the relationship you're dropping, but apparently Marlon Samuels and Yanique might have been in some things. And let me just pause for go talk about this a little bit. You see, since Aishana Har put Marlon Samuels into that Instaboy video, I do not know, but it just give rise to the little fame where it look like it did buried deep inside them and just want to come out. Marlon Samuels did want the celebrity. Him did have the recognition, you know, but him did want a extra, a different type of celebrity. And Aishana video give him it. My youth there on Instagram just him stop go by just Marlon Samuels now, the man a hashtag Instaboy. Then, you know, since the whole Curvy Diva thing, you know, him see there's another opportunity, him go and her link up with World Dog, Mr. Facebook Hero, and you know, them have the link a talk show, and he her talk it up.
The one you sent to man, find it now, my youth.
Yeah, the phone up on the live, I want to find it. Man, you make Yanique no want me again.
The man talks that she don't verify it on Instagram.
Personal person I tell me about, oh, I am so popular. Oh, I am so... There's a big difference between popular and famous. That's why I want to have the blue tick.
Him put up video a show when apparently the two of them did kind of move a little chummy.
So in the link make ya. What I mean I'm in uniform. Watch them friends then, no? They are them closer. Oh, no.
And then him go mention about oh you need Curvy Diva come at me and she never want to leave.
Should I use the word stalker there? Or should I use the word mansion just too comfortable?
And the brother all go bring down liar for go say.
Send for reinforcement. Lawyer fresh from Italy. And pick me up in the X6. Body up, you know. Lucky way I keep it professional, yeah?
Kitty, me know this is a set of Magnum. You say Magnum, them known for just like with them manufactured beef. And apparently, Marlon Samuel is going to be a guest judge for Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. And you see the piece of information there, just make me a pretty thing different. Them no wrong as same, so when Scatter and the whole Aisha and thing them put the hype on the panel, them just know how to just like, you know, add fire to the fuel. Magnum, I wanna plan this. Yeah, me done talk, me done.
Haters will hate you. To all your profile stay, but you rise up my curiosity.
You hear that? It is time for the Chatterbox segment. And so if you don't know you're new to this, the Chatterbox Show is a web show on YouTube where them, you know, them discuss all kind of topics from a Caribbean point of view. And in this week's episode, them talk about the whole matter of consent in relationships, because you know, so sometimes people think they can touch everywhere and the girl never give permission or the youth never give permission and people are getting into one bag of problems.
Most people engage in sexual activity without knowing each other. And the fact say, you don't know me and me don't know you, that's going to lead to automatic stipulation. And that stipulation is going to lead to misunderstanding. And that misunderstanding is when you get the thing about consent or whatnot. Yeah, so for like a youth like me now, growing up, me as a youth, I never like have 90%. If I get 90% in our class, I cry. Not literally still, but I like 100%. So when I deal with a woman, I deal with a woman in the same manner. If I'm 99% sure, I'm not going to touch her now. She have to give me the 1% sign before me can touch her. So.
Well, that is it, people. I'm going to put the link down in the description below, so make sure you go and watch the full episode, the full Chatterbox episode, and go follow them on them social media at Chatterbox Show. And now check out another random video of the week. Number 4, group song. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, the other day, I'm gonna book up this music video by a band that is called, what their name? It? With a song called Schoolboy Anthem. I'm not gonna lie, people. Fair newcomer to the game, the video and the song, it's shell.
Girl, I don't wanna start, but the way that you talk, the sway of your uniform skirt when you walk, girl, you look so fine. Can't get you out of my mind. All I wanna do is hold you tight and pull her all night.
So I forgot to say big up to the 8 band, cause it's nice to see like, you know, young talented young men do them thing and pursue them passion and them dream. Yeah, no begging a roadside and them something there. Ambitious people for 2018 and beyond. Oh. Number 3, Young Love. Me chocolate cake. So here, I honestly do not know how to even start the story here. But basically one girl, apparently she was making her way around the campus when her boyfriend put together this whole piece of Disney World fairy tale princess Fiona kind of thing there at Campion High School. Pre. Yes, when I look up in a uniform and go on with and some people can't even get a text back. Boy, oh boy, some people then still await for a please call me. Jesus pin. Some people can only get taken to chicken and things and little Tokyo. Well, let me just say this is a Campion thing, people. This is a Campion young people thing. I'm not going to say them rich, I'm not going to say about me feel like they're educated. And if they're educated, I'm going to just give them the benefit of the doubt and say that this was something that them they sit down and plan and them they talk about it and, you know, them know so them go, you know, left school and go to college and everything all kind of sort out for them and them future. So for you where kind of hitch up and have no ambition and a waste time and a lighter, arbitrary transport center limelight, at the KFC into Montego Bay and all of these other places. Do not think that this sort of young teenage proposal must be for you. Go take up on no book and focus on the likes by Instagram, alright? But big up on yourself to that young couple from Campion High. And now it is time for the big up segment! Woo! So first up, I have the big up dancehall artist Popcorn on being the first male Jamaican artist to reach 1 million followers on Instagram, yeah? Also, I have to big up Bella Blair on winning an award with the Broadcasting Commission for the ad Punchy. Oh yes, by now you know Sir Cardi B, Miss Cardi B is her pregnant, so big up yourself Cardi B for your pregnancy. Yeah, she breed for Offset from Migos. And also the other day burritos, I co-hosted the Actor Boy Awards with the lovely Nisha Yen of Daytime Live, and it did go on with a bag of things. Here are some of the pictures. Oh yeah, and big up Spokes Apparel for the outfit. The outfit is clean from head to toe. It's shell. And yes, I cannot leave out Vanzo, the brother from Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. Walana, Vanzo. Yeah, you know the artist was singing like that. He have a song that is called News and is produced by Mama Africa Records.
I know news give me gal, I know me shoes give me gal, and when me use give me gal, and any gal you see me walk with a female gal. Me no lend, but me borrow for your gal. I know news give me gal, I know me shoes give me gal, and when me use give me gal, and any gal you see me walk with a female gal.
When a funeral and using me. Yeah, I think I saw you go. But yeah, if you want to download the single, all of the information is down below in the description. So make sure you say you can download it Amazon, iTunes, Tidal, everywhere there. Download it right now. Number 2, Power of the D. Me Dutch Pot. This woman is not her first time appearing on my social media countdown. Was her hand. My countdown singing another load song some weeks ago.
Let a good look. Many am gone down in the book.
I know she's back talking about a sexual encounter that got her, got rid of the gas with the second up on her chest.
Me say one night my niece. One night my a boy named Tina. And me say the boy done f*** me. Me say like the touch the gas back me depa. Me just a part so. Me say me catch back the boy. And she back the boy on. I say me say Tina say cock big and stiff and powerful and blood. The cocky make me just stop and you know what? And the touch the gas man. I like somebody pull a gas. Me say when me don't me don't it's powerful. The power. The tonic. The medicine. The healing of the nation. Someone you let go that me need. Me nah make no waste girl come stab me. Me nah walk out fight. Me a fight. Some rather cock kill me. Kill me and done.
But I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say right about now. You see the woman them. Me just know say anyhow them go deal with that man and the man don't make them burp. Yeah, them I just give you a 0 to 10 for your performance. I just that I go start a boy now. And for the youths them out there, according to this lady yesterday, next time you go her saka and you her go and and all of them something there. Yeah, make sure say make your girl and them type of stuff there, or else you never go with that thing. I don't mean say it, the woman say it, so clearly Allah. And number 1 goes to The Angel Rejected. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my library, my biblioteca. I love The Angel, no care when nobody wants to say me like The Angel and Beenie Man I rate you. But you see this video that I circulated on social media recently, boy, oh boy, me. So the backstory, The Angel was, after our birthday party, our birthday event, and Beenie Man did it for a perform. And as usual, them do them little zingy-zangas, little performance, the little style. And, she kind of back up the truck for kind of brace from Beenie Man. And things that Beenie Man was going to welcome the bumper, but Beenie Man said, Mercy said no.
One more time, but we have no one back. Not much time. Hold on, I'm ready for dancing it. Yeah? I'm ready. Beenie Man, you must sing it. I want my nigga. I want my nigga. I want my dancing it. He never told me, sir. Give me this.
appropriate. At this time. Z. It's not appropriate. Somebody find a real man, give it on my birthday, anything goes be.
It's like when me see me just hear shame. If I were you, I'd bag my face. But boy, oh boy, Beenie Man said inappropriate. And then social media just start to ridicule the angel. Basically, I said she take a L, and that was that. But as you know, the angel not going just take that sitting right there. When you talk about the angel is limelight. The angel is a showgirl. The angel is just ready for us to do any interview and talk about anything we have going in a fair life. Because the angel is just, let's just say this. If the angel is supposed to take up a show, Las Vegas she's supposed to do. The angel just love the, I'm a model. I'm never going to stop modeling. Beenie Man. The angel, you don't know, I'm the first lady of dancehall. Mark Dean. Right now. Yeah, that is the angel. And so it was only natural and expected that the angel was going to end up on Entertainment Report with Anthony Miller to go share fear side of the story.
Left you in mid-bubble. Was it embarrassing?
Oh wow, I wasn't embarrassed. I thought it was a prank because it's April 1st, All Fools Day. Some of the things say is a prank. Because the thing is, me and Beenie Man do this song 14 years ago. We do one man. So I'm accustomed to perform like that everywhere we go. You know, with the zingies and gazos. So if you had a New Year's resolution, April 1st, which is my birthday, you should have told me that I would just take it out of my set because it wasn't a big deal. You know?
Right now, there's somebody else in the equation.
Yeah, I understand that, but if there's personal problem at home, let me know. So, Angel, Michelle, we can't do that dance there again and wind up something with you again because problem they own. And I would definitely understand because me and Crystal, we're cool, we're friends. There are two types of women, two types of wives, girlfriend, whatever it is. They have the ones that are secure in their relationship and they have no problem if them can know them with an artist. They have no problem if their man go out there or dance and jar it because that's their job, that's entertainment, that's show business. Whilst you have some other women that depend on that. When you go out there and perform, them want you just perform and leave the venue. You can't even take a picture with a woman. And I understand it because I'm a woman too, but I'm a confident one.
You kind of check out the little subtle shade there to Crystal. Because at some weeks ago, you know, Beenie Man and the angel did perform and the angel backed it up on Beenie Man and Beenie Man did her take the little wine. And me say in that countdown say, me heart feel, say me believe that Crystal did go and have a talk with Beenie Man after that and tell Beenie Man say, yo, them something that can't go on in the public again. The little wine there with your one time woman, with your baby mother, it cannot her go on again. And it looked like Beenie Man got the talk, he her got the memo. Crystal her put her foot down and it's so be the case that, yeah, the man a following girl. And the angel, oh Jesus, you know someone else need to talk to you. The angel, I love you. You know me really love you. I'm a little bored on no-nos. But what have we been learning in 2017 and now in 2018? Just leave people, man, alone because I do not know. Just leave them alone when you perform because it look like the universe just try to show you a sign. You just get a problem. You remember when this did happen? Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure to say like, you share, you comment, and you are subscribe. If you want to email me, book me, it is duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Once again, I can't stop telling you. Make sure to say comment and click the subscribe button. We are trying to reach to 150,000 subscribers on YouTube. So tell your friend, tell your family member, make sure to say them go and sign on, and also make sure to say you hit the post notification button. And yes, people, I are very much aware of all of the backlash, the little backlash that my little what you call it, the makeup challenge video received online and on Instagram. I understand why, because I start my challenge series and this is one of the YouTube challenges that has been out for years, but I think Jamaican people not really familiar with the YouTube scene. I understand, say, Jamaican people, anything that them not understand, them just naturally have a hate. You know the type of way they say if somebody come in here and them don't know you, them go, where the boy you come from? How them come from? You might hear that, you know, man, how old she, how she feel like? Eh? How that? I just saw we as a people stay, so for the very special people who decided to just like be very mean and be very cruel on social media and to just basically just to talk to yourself on my Instagram page and on my YouTube, I created a little section to just honor Uno because clearly Uno didn't need to talk to somebody and then come to me as a psychiatrist or a psychologist. So big up on yourself and I wish them all the best in their career and hopefully they will be so successful in the future that they will never have time to find my page and to just spread hate and all kind of yeah, wish them well, people. Wish them well. The haters. Peace out.